Hey there, folks. If you're in California and need affordable health coverage, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to apply for Medicaid in California for 2025. Medicaid, known as Medi-Cal in the Golden State, helps low-income individuals, families, seniors, and people with disabilities get the medical care they need. Let's break this down step by step so you can get started quickly. First things first, check your eligibility. For 2025, you'll generally need to be a California resident, meet certain income limits, typically based on your household size, and possibly qualify through factors like age, pregnancy, or disability. The official Medi-Cal website has a handy eligibility screener to help you out, so head there right away. Once you're sure you qualify, it's time to apply. There are a few easy ways to do this. The most convenient is online through the Covered California website at coveredca.com. You'll create an account, fill out a form with details about your income, household members, and immigration status if applicable. Don't worry, it's straightforward and secure. If online isn't your thing, you can apply by mail, phone, or even in person at a local county office. For mail or in-person applications, download the form from the Medi-Cal site or pick one up at an office. Remember, you'll need key documents like proof of identity, like a driver's license or passport, proof of income, pay stubs or tax returns, proof of residency, utility bills, and social security numbers for everyone in your household. Gather these beforehand to speed things up. After you submit your application, the state will review it, which usually takes about 45 days. If approved, you'll receive a Medi-Cal card in the mail, giving you access to doctors, hospitals, and more. Keep an eye on your application status online or via phone to avoid any delays. One last tip. Things can change, so double-check the 2025 guidelines on the official site for any updates. If you run into issues, contact your local social services office, they're there to help. Applying for Medi-Cal can make a huge difference in your health and finances, so don't wait. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Stay healthy, everyone.